Okay, so when I'm mixing color, the first thing that I typically will check is what does it kind of look like when I smear it with my finger, right? And you can see that that stays pretty opaque. All of the inks that we have will have different degrees of transparency or opacity, right? Either based on the pigment or because they've got a lot of transparent base mixed in them. So this tells me already, okay, that's a pretty opaque color, right? If I check this one, I'll see the same. Yeah, that's fairly opaque. It's not getting very thin. Let me grab something that is transparent. Okay, so you can see what that color looks like in the container. Okay. When I take a bit of that, should get a clean finger here, and I put that on the paper, you can see it gets really, really thin, right? That's a highly transparent color, right? That also means something in terms of strength of the pigment, right? If I add some of this very opaque green to this very transparent color, it's going to immediately change it, right? There's just not much pigment in it. It's mostly transparent base. So it will dramatically change it. The reverse is also true. If I add this to the green, it's going to do very little to it. It'll make it transparent, but it's going to take a lot of it to make it transparent, especially with the quantity of ink in the container, right? When we're mixing ink, generally, I would say you want at least a half of a cup.